Hey there, Para folks. Here's how to hide or show the walls in Paralives. If you've ever found your house walls getting in the way while trying to see what's happening inside your home or while giving commands to your Para, there's an easy solution for that. Paralives includes a built-in wall toggle option. You'll find it on the top toolbar as this cube icon beside the floor, up and down arrows. Simply click it once to hide the walls and make the interior of your home much easier to see. Click it again to switch to a partial wall view. This mode hides only the walls that are blocking your line of sight while keeping the far walls visible, making it easier to maintain a sense of the room's layout. You can toggle between these wall display modes anytime depending on your preference or the situation. If you want to change which floor you're viewing, just use the up and down arrows located beside the wall visibility toggle. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.